Morning, guys. Today is going to be an exciting day because I'm going to the Mall of Asia. But before that, I'm going to show you how's the breakfast here look like. Is it gonna be good? I hope so. Because hotel food tend to be so-so, not that great, but yeah. Here's the ground floor. Hello, morning. This is the entrance. Right. Hello. Here for the breakfast. Okay, I thought the breakfast would be something like a buffet where you can like choose which food that you want. But fortunately, it's like a it's like a set of breakfast that they give you. Like they have a breakfast of the day. So this one for today they have like the sausage, the hot dog, and as well as fried fish. So yeah, it's dependent on the day itself. This is how it look like, a simple breakfast food. The sausage, the eggs, and tomato and cucumber, as well as the rice. So let's try out the food called chicken sausage. Oh, there's like a cheese there. I'm not sure if guys can see it. Let me get a closer look. You see it? It's kind of like a cheese and yeah. It's okay, I would say. Expected for like a hot dog or chicken sausage type of. I wonder if this one, the sausage that they use, is the frozen one or it tastes like one. Breakfast, can't complain though. Especially like this price point, when it's fairly affordable to stay around here. Yeah, I paid 28 USD, include with the breakfast. So yeah, can't complain much. It's fine. At least I get to eat my breakfast rather than like going outside. After I've just finished my breakfast, I went to the Mall of Asia. Here we are, guys. We have reached the Mall of Asia. You can see the surrounding here is much well developed. See, it's a much more richer part of the area in Pasay. I'm going to show you this fountain. This looks very nice. Around here. Now let's go in here. Oof. Nice. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this. It's quite spacious though. This mall. Huge. Yeah, it's not that cramped. It's quite a lot of huge space down here. Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna go, but let's just explore around here. Man, it's really nice though. Maybe you can go up. There's a bunch of restaurants here. Holy shit, look at that, the Jollibee. So big. KFC as well. Wow, it's very crowded though here. That's it. A drink here as well. Some nice clothing store here. Oh, there's like a mini theme park inside. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Around here. Let's circle around here. Oh, this tree is very nice. So. Chocolate here. Happy Holiday 2023. Nice. It's a good spot to take picture around here. Is there any specific place I want to go at this mall? Well, not really. Rather than to check out what kind of shop do they have here. I think they pretty much have everything you wanted around here. Oh, they even have a Dyson watch. Right, so let's head upstairs. More doggies. Small branded store here. G-Shock Fit Loop. Right. Okay. I think this is a watch brand, Citizen. Yeah. And not surprised if they got a Rolex store here though. Okay, let's check upstairs. I don't want to linger at this place for so long. As I mentioned earlier, like majority of the mall are pretty similar though. With the exception of what shop do they have around here. I think this floor, there's a small clothing store. There's a lot of selection, I'll say here. Oh, Muji, especially this one, so huge. It's kind of like Uniqlo in some sense. Yeah, because of the Chinese lettering. Is that it? Wait. What floor are we right now? Oh, it's the second floor. So I think there's upper floor. See, there's an escalator. Is it? Oh no, it's not. But what is that? Get ready for a new level. Oh, so this mall is slowly expanding. Could be this one is quite new. The mall. I don't know when is it built though, but yeah. Let's check here. I think here's the foodie spot. As you can see, there's a lot of place selling drink, and this is the food court. Right. So I found the food court. Oh. Wait, there's ice skating? Alright, let me go closer if you guys look. But yeah, this is the food court, fairly huge. I think a lot of food selection around here. But yeah, do you see it? Ice skating. Dang. They got ice skating at this mall. You can see. I mean, it's fun if you have someone to try with, but since I'm alone, I'm not gonna bother. But yeah, let's see. Let's go around here. And we got more entertainment around here. I got the archery. You see? Oh, seems very fun. Then we got a laser arena here. Nice. See? We got, oh, what's this? Playground for kids. Cosmic Kid. Wow. You can bring your kids here. Like this floor provide a lot of entertainment, especially that spot. And there's more around here. Oh no, it's the same thing. Expand until here. Cosmic Kids. Ah, here? Let's go closer look. Oh. Seems fun. Check. There's a ball pit there. Awesome. What else do we have? There's more? Tiny town? Oh. It's a playground for kids. Ooh, this is nice. Right. And I believe this one is like an arcade. It's called Power Station. Yeah, it's literally an arcade. Fine. Oh, okay. Needle. Spotlight. Oh, karaoke machine around here. And got a bunch more games. Alright. Thank you. Got a photo booth here. Yeah, I'll say this spot is for kids area. Yeah. A lot of entertainment also. Okay. So this is the second floor. Next time you come here, Mall of Asia, some sort of entertainment, you can come to this spot. They provide plenty of it. I think that's pretty much I want to show you guys here in the mall. I just realized that the phone hasn't been recording. I've been talking like an idiot for most of the time. Oh my gosh. I mean, that's the thing if you use phone to record, especially using the watch as your camera remote. Sometimes you abruptly stop like, what? It's like, oh, you think that you record, but all of a sudden like it doesn't, like, what? Yeah man, I really hate recording using phone. I'm gonna invest in a DJI Pocket 3 and save up some money to buy that and stop using this crap. I mean, seriously man. Like, the image coming from here is okay, but during low light, it's really, really bad though. Seriously. So I'm just gonna go out right now. Alright. Wow, look at that. I'm not sure what time is it right now, but I think it's 5 or 5:30 maybe. So yeah, let's take a walk outside here. So as you can see, this part of the area in Pasay is really, really nice to walk around. Since there isn't much trash, not many people also, not that crowded. And what the heck? There's a rat? Oh, never mind. Couldn't get it. But yeah, just now I saw there's a rat though. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Now I'm gonna head front here. Yeah, I saw there's a nice alleyway. So is it this spot? Oh yeah, it's this one. Alright, here it is. Oh man, this is so pretty. Feels so much neon light. Very pretty and colorful as well. It's a street. It's a gold carts, potato. Oh, it's very pretty. I wonder what's in front though. Is there another shopping mall? I'm not sure. But let's head to the front. Let's see. Let's go here. Oh, a lot of people. Let's sing Merry Christmas. A happy holiday. Got a lot of food stall here, so. Okay, after checking the map, there's one place that I wanted to go, and it's called Dessert Museum. Oh, there's a band. Band. Alright. Anyway, as I was saying, there's one place that interests me around here, and there is a museum. It's called Dessert Museum. I think it's like it's basically a museum filled with many candy, ice cream, all that sweet stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna head there right now. And from what I see, it closed at 10 p.m. Yeah, it's kind of late for a museum to close around that time. But I'm kind of surprised that this part of the area is not too busy. I mean, I did see like there's a lot of car going, but it's not that populated compared to other part of the area in Pasay, especially the one that I'm staying at. That one is there's a lot of people though there. It's very noisy as well. Oh, Conrad! There's a 5-star hotel, yo. I see it at Agoda, and how much it costs to stay a night. I think around 200 USD, maybe, or somewhere around that. So it's very pricey. Damn, so that's how the hotel, the exterior look like. We got a Ferris wheel there though. Maybe you can go there later. For now, my main target is going to the Dessert Museum. Oh, this is Marina Way. What's the other one? Ocean Drive. Oh, look at that. Yeah, later you can go there. I must say, this place looks clean though. See? Not many trash. Except for that one rat I saw. So, oh my gosh, there's a rat. But yeah, apart from that, this place is very clean. Okay, supposedly it's located around that site, that museum. So hopefully that map doesn't fool me though. Dessert Museum. Wait, is it around here? That's strange. I don't see any museum though. No, maybe it's inside this building. Couldn't be though. But is it already closed? And the map doesn't update. Wait, what's this? Let me check here. Oh, is this the one? Dessert Museum. Does it look like a museum or something? Hello. Oh, okay. Just the map of it. Oh, pretty empty though. What's over here? Bakery and all that. Oh, okay. So this is basically it for the Dessert Museum. Okay. Interesting place. Thank you. A bit disappointed though. I thought the Dessert Museum a bit bigger. But like it's quite small. There's a lot of nice hotels, as you can see around here. But when I search the price, the cheapest that I can find is around 50 USD above. Yeah, 50 USD per night to stay around this part of the area. So yeah, if you want something that's very convenient, yeah, I can stay here though, if you don't mind the cost. Alright, this is like an amusement park here. Let's check it out. We go here.